Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use drones in Rainbow Six Mobile. Drones are one of the most important tools when you're playing as an attacker. They help you gather intel, locate enemies, and plan your push before you even enter the building. At the start of a round, you'll automatically enter the drone phase. This is your chance to drive your drone around the map and find the objective, like the bomb site. While doing this, try to spot enemy operators and mark their positions for your team. Just be careful not to get your drone destroyed too early. Once the action phase begins, you can still use your drone. Just open your gadget or switch to your drone, and you'll be able to control it again. This is super useful for checking rooms before you enter, especially if you think enemies are camping inside. A good tip is to hide your drone in a safe spot during the prep phase. That way, you can reuse it later instead of losing it early. You can place it near doorways, inside rooms, or close to the objective so you can scout safely during the round. Also, try not to overuse your drone while standing still in dangerous areas. Always make sure you're in a safe position before switching to it, or you might get eliminated while distracted. If you use your drone properly, spotting enemies, checking corners, and sharing intel, you'll have a huge advantage and win more rounds. That's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!